Continue.
So active. Have you ever thought of this? A stands for ask. And we'll put. Now, why would I put a Q right there?
I have no idea.
Questions. Ask questions.
Oh, good idea.
C would stand for. I'm just going. You know what? Let me do something. I'll just put like initials of it or something.
Okay.
So, ask questions.
Mm-hmm.
I always hate the letter Q.
Oh.
It's just,
Be
it
prejudiced
thinks it's
against
so
the letter Q.
fancy just because of its little tail. Just because of it. O is better than Q.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay, and C, make connections.
Okay.
T, I'm trying to remember what T stands for. I almost said take responsibility.
Oh, is that what it is?
No, it's about reading.
Oh.
T.
You can come back to it if you want to do the I.
Okay. I is for infer. Have you ever heard of that?
Yes.
V is for visualize.
Okay.
E is for eureka.
Alrighty then.
And E stands for get the big picture.
Do you remember the T?
No, I do not. What's another thing like about reading? Take
Task?
No.
No, take.
Or take something or whatever. I don't know. It's something about yeah.
Okay.
But anyway, and that's the way we spell reading and active. Ask questions, make connections. T I still don't know. I infer, visualize is for V. E is for eureka, get the big picture.
Never remember it. Okay, now I'm recording it.
Now, and so visualizing and eureka, get the big picture. What I've heard is sort of the same because if you're getting the big picture, it's sort of like you're also visualizing at the same time. Because you're sort of finding out more about the story. But visualizing is when you actually know what's going on in the story. Because one of the methods, if like you can't sound out a word or something, you can always look at the pictures. Visualize. And then go back, look at the word, and see if you can figure it out.
You get this stuff?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Did your teacher teach you all this?
Yes.
Wow.
I've been in that class for 2 years.
This is big thinking.
Yeah, this is college stuff. I'm not kidding.
I know.
I'm not kidding.
This is really
college
amazing.
Stuff.
Mrs. Roseberg must be one great teacher.
We learned this in like first grade. She was teaching this.
What?
Actually, some of the first grades, like me and this kid named Lucas, we actually learned a lot of the second grade stuff, like regrouping, and actually I know my times already in some division, I think.
Wow.
We actually learned division in first
7
grade.
times 3.
7 times 3 is 21.
Oh my gosh. So anyway, continue with active.
Okay. And ask questions. Now, at my school, have you ever heard of a composition book?
Yes. Actually, I have. Yay, finally Grammy knows something.
Well, in kindergarten, we actually called it a composition book, but because we would have one. But we call them in first grade and second grade a thinking book. And we record what we would do. Like, we would even record our constants, our blends.
What the heck are you talking about, girlfriend?
You've never heard of that?
Well, what's a blend?
You've never heard of blend? Oh my god, it's the easiest thing.
Well, a blend is like when you put ice cream and
No,
milk
it's
in
not.
a blender and you make a milkshake.
What's the word? The blend has 2 blends in it.
Huh?
Oh my god.
They don't teach school the same.
Yes, they don't. Our teacher even said that you never learned about thinking your own thinking.
No.
Okay. Because you never knew about it.
I didn't.
And I actually remember from plants and animals work together. They actually do.
Huh?
Yeah. It's something I learned from my Baggy book.
Okay, explain a baggy book.
A baggy book is like Raz Kids. It's a just right book. Sort of like in Goldilocks. That soup is too hot. Yeah, soup is too cold. And this porridge is just right. And
what does that have to do with a baggy book?
It's just right. It's just right book for you. Same with on Raz Kids. And like, I even have a book about the solar system.
Oh, so that's a book that's just right for you.
Yes.
That's a baggy book for you?
Yes, I'm in the highest level, which would be, I don't know.
Awesome.
Okay. And so that's a question like, I'm trying to remember. A question like, how do plants and animals work together?
Mm-hmm.
And my answer would be, I actually do remember this. Because...
I know.
What?
Animals poop on the ground and then
No!
that makes fertilize the plants.
No.
Oh, never mind.
It has
What
to
is
do
it?
with pollen.
Pollen? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think it has something. I think it's like this. Bees carry pollen. I think it sometimes the flowers carry pollen. Sometimes the pollen will drip. The animals.
Okay. So what is it you're going to teach me about?
Personal narratives, actually. And then we'll get back to reading.
All right.
Think about. Okay, so what do you think a personal narrative is all about?
A personal narrative would be something that I'm thinking about.
No.
No. All right. I was wrong.
It's something that has happened to you in your real life. I have had many personal narratives. There are 4 things that well, I think more like 6 things that a personal narrative should have.
Okay, explain them.
A setting.
Okay.
Characters.
Ah, yes.
A problem.
Ah.
A resolution.
Ah.
And it must have a word I or me.
Oh. So give me an example.
Okay, let's see. This is a good example. We're actually writing this in school. I'm not kidding.
Okay.
The 8th, December 8th.
Yeah.
We were coming home, and these were all my characters. This was the setting.
Okay. The house.
Yeah. We had lots of fun. We ate cake. We did presents. Blah, 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 blah.
Mm-hmm.
And my mom accidentally got trick candles.
Oh.
And the problem was I almost passed out. Literally, I almost couldn't breathe anymore after that. But resolution, the cake was yummy.
There you go. So that is now tell me what the name of this thing is. Your personal
narrative. Yes. I also have another one where I twist my ankle. That was the one that I'm writing about a story.
Okay. Did you want to tell me that one?
Nah.
Oh,